You know, every time I watched some of Tai Lopez's videos, I always felt like he gave you good information, but like he was being fake. You know, I always felt he was the kind of guy who'd say anything just get me to buy one of his fucking courses. So I've just finished watching his course on how to make money online, and here I'm gonna tell you what I thought about it. So far, I've tried a lot of what he teaches in the course, and everything has worked marvelously. I'm really shocked, but I have to say that in the end, Tai Lopez really knows what he's talking about. He's legit. You know, last month I was praising Jordan Peterson's course on personality for how useful it was to figuring out what people want to hear and figuring out how to interact with based on their personality and to overall become just a more charismatic guy. But after trying what Tai Lopez teaches here about personality, I gotta say that the tips he gives you here about how to figure out what people want to hear are both more practical and more useful than what I found in Jordan Peterson's course. And this course isn't even about personality. I thought this was gonna be the usual dropshipping course. You know, the ones that teach you how to do it step by step, click by click, where to click, how to build a Shopify store, what's the follow along kind of thing. But instead, most of the course is not even about that. Most of the course is about understanding what makes people buy shit and how to actually leverage that to sell them shit and make profitable campaigns online. It's about the meta. It's not about the little details, it's about the meta overall perspective of selling shit online. Don't get me wrong, it does show you how to create a Shopify store, how to set up a Stripe account, and all the usual. But instead of taking you like a fucking idiot and showing you step by step, click by click how to do it, it trusts you to figure out the details and actually focuses on showing you the big picture and tries to make sure that you do get all the core concepts on how to sell things online so that your Shopify store or your online business won't be just another Shopify dropshipping store that's just mediocre and average. It also teaches a lot of shit. You know, it's not just about dropshipping, it's about internet marketing in general. It shows you how to build an audience on Instagram, YouTube, and social media in general. And it also shows you how to create good website design and website copy to get people to buy shit on your website. Yes, you can learn all that elsewhere. But the reason this course really impressed me is because of how Tai views internet marketing. You know, usually internet gurus who talk about dropshipping and all that kind of shit are showing it to you like it's something that's so easy any idiot could do it. And the truth is, it's not. You know, most people who do try to build a Shopify store or an online business fail. You know, I've built a Shopify store, a dropshipping store. You know, I have built a Shopify dropshipping store and I have failed in the past. And that's just because, like a lot of people, I treated it like it was something that should be easy rather than like a real business. I didn't approach it the way Tai shows you to approach dropshipping and internet marketing. What he teaches here is really no bullshit and down to earth, and a lot of the concepts and knowledge he shares here are things I had to learn through my failures. You know, in shitty average courses on internet marketing like Sean Bagheri's Adversity Gold, you'll learn that the way you get to creating good web pages is by creating like 20 or so different designs out of your ass and hoping one of them will work and will be successful. Instead, Tai's approach is completely different. It's about knowing what works first and then creating content based on what works scientifically and then advertising that content. Look, I don't know if you get this already, but hoping to get lucky is not a good strategy. You might get lucky, yes, but if you want to get consistent results, I feel that the way you need to do it is you need to really get to know what you're doing. And that's why this course really appeals to me so much. Unlike most online marketing courses I've seen so far, it actually shows you what you need to actually get to know what you're doing. I'd say the only thing that might turn you off is that Tai will not be teaching most of the course. The latter sections will be taught by some of the members of his team and also other experts he handpicked. They're not as charismatic as he is, so these sections are not as fun to watch as the sections taught by Tai himself. However, they do seem competent enough. Matter of fact, I believe I've seen one of them in one of the Affiliate World conferences a couple of years ago. So yeah, they're legit. So yeah, they're not as entertaining as Tai Lopez, but the information is good enough and satisfying enough to my taste. So for me, it wasn't that big of an issue, and I don't think it will be for you. Just keep that in mind. Don't expect Tai Lopez to be talking for the whole duration of the course. So should you get it? In my opinion, if you have the money, you should get it. Right now, it's the best first step I can think of if your goal is to build an online business and start making money online at some point. In any case, if you have any questions about this course, you can write them in the comments down below. As well, if you have any course you want me to review, any recommendations, you can write them down in the comments down below as well. With that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.